Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual classes provided by DAV Thermal. In previous class, we have discussed clauses. In subordinate clause and main clause are omitted from your syllabus. The previous unit was very short one. Now today we will discuss unit 6 linkers. Linkers again is a very quite easy exercise is there. First of all, we will discuss what are linkers. Linkers are words that connect two sentences or clauses. Like that, see the example. The phone rings and you listen to the voice on the other side. So here is the phone rings. This is sentence 1 and you listen to the voice on the other side. This is the second sentence. Both sentences are connected by linker and. So all of it clear? The linkers are words that connect two sentences or clauses. Now here is the one exercise. In newspaper clipping is there. You have to tick on the correct linker. The phone rings and you listen to the voice on the other side. You can hear the voice of the speaker, but can you see what the speaker looks like? Well, maybe when you speak up, be careful because your voice may also convey information about your life. So, when scientists asked volunteers to listen to the recording of the people and the rate and voices, they found that the voices rated highest belong to the people having more active lives. So, based on this thing, you have to complete the rest of the worksheet. Now, see more examples, learn the answer, and write them in your notebook. Again, and linker is used here. Mohit is slow, but he is hardworking. Here is a but word is use. Now see more table of these linkers. Linkers are classified into two broad categories. Coordinating and subordinating. Coordinating में and, but, or, either, neither, not only but also. And subordinate linkers are because, although, after, if, since, while, so that, etc. Now here is a one table is given. Given below is a checklist of likes and dislike of Pooja and Vineet. But you have to read it carefully and write about their liking and dislikes using the following linkers: neither, nor, both, and but. Like see this thing. First is the reading magazine. Here is a both tick mark are there. So how will you make sentences? Both Pooja and Vineet like reading magazine. Second sentence is watching TV. Here is a Pooja is a tick mark, Vineet is a cross mark. So Pooja like watching TV, but Vineet does not. Third is a shopping. One is a tick mark, one is a cross mark. So Pooja likes shopping, but Vineet does not. So like that, you have to complete rest of the worksheet. Now see the worksheet 3. Read the following sentences. You will get a trophy if you win. Don't come out of the classroom before the bell rings. I have to go because my mother is waiting for me. So above sentences contain two clauses, one main clause and other subordinate clause. So again here is a one table is given. See this thing, the linkers that join the main and subordinate clause are called subordinate linkers. See the example, you will get a trophy if you win. So here you will get a trophy, that is a main clause. If is a subordinate linker and you win, that is a subordinate clause. So subordinate linkers can be classified into 9 parts. Here is a time. In time column, we have to use before, till, since, after, when, etc. In place column, where and wherever. And the cause and reason, we have to use because, as, since. And comparison, then, whereas, such as. Purpose, that, so that. And in result column, we have to use that, so that. And in condition column, we have to use if or unless. Or manners column, we have to use as or as if. And last part, concession part, we have to use although and even if. So based on this thing, you have to complete this exercise. In the box, the linker of time, reason, purpose is also given. So based on this thing, you have to combine the sentences. See the first example. The rain was over. The sun shone brightly. How will you connect these sentences? The sun shone brightly after the rain was over. In the second sentence, the linker of reason is given. The teacher was not in the staff room. I came back. I came back because the teacher was not in the staff room. So, like that, whatever the given in the bracket, you have to complete this worksheet. Now, worksheet 5, given below are some measures suggested for the development of rural area. So, fill in the blanks with suitable linkers. So, see the first sentence. Although literacy is the root cause of people ignorance of their rights, we should lay more stress on making them literate. Now, the second part is although most of the rural area do not have electricity, but very few of them have enough electric equipment to utilize it. So, I hope all of it clear. So, you have to solve the remaining worksheet and try to understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.